On Wednesday at 1:30 UK time, the US CPI print will be released. The headline reading is expected to come at 3.1%. That's down from the prior of 4%. And a reading below 2.9%, the minimum expected, would likely weaken the dollar and lift the euro-US dollar pair. The core reading is expected to come in at 5% below the prior of 5.3%, and a reading below 4.9% should also weaken the dollar. Now, the print that should boost the dollar would be if both the headline and the core come in above market's minimum expectations. So dollar strength would be if we see the high surpassed for the headline and the high surpassed for the core reading. However, there's also the possibility that if the CPI print comes in low, the market might also choose to focus on concerns surrounding falling US earnings, which too could ultimately boost the US dollar. So it's quite a complicated picture for this print. From an event perspective, Seasonax shows that the euro-US dollar has fallen nearly 60% of the time out of US CPI prints in the 2 days following the release. So perhaps a high print could boost the dollar higher and weaken the euro-US dollar. It's definitely worth being aware of this pattern. Major trade risks. The biggest risk here is to do with the market reaction to an out of consensus print. Also, note that previous reactions over US CPI prints aren't necessarily guaranteed to happen again. Remember that HYCM clients can access the Seasonax product in order to analyze over 25,000 different currencies, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. And all you need to do is contact your account manager for a free trial and you can get started right away. Certain products and services mentioned herein may or may not be available to all clients, depending on which HYCM Capital Markets Group entity their trading account adheres to.